Considerations before acquiring a finger monkey. Navigating legal and ethical landscapes. Acquiring a finger monkey, also known as pygmy marmoset, is an enticing prospect for many animal enthusiasts. These miniature primates, with their endearing features and playful personalities, have captured the heart of people worldwide. However, before embarking on the journey of owning a finger monkey, it is essential to navigate the complex terrain of legal and ethical considerations associated with their acquisition and care. In this video, we'll explore the legal framework, ethical dilemmas, and responsible practices that prospective finger monkey owners should consider before bringing one into their home. Understanding legal frameworks. The trade and ownership of exotic animals, including finger monkeys, are regulated by various laws and regulation at the local, national, and international levels. These legal frameworks aim to protect both the animals themselves and the ecosystems they inhabit, while also safeguarding public safety and welfare. International regulations. Finger monkeys are native to rainforests of South America, where they are protected under international agreements. Local ordinances. Even within countries or regions, local jurisdictions may have their own ordinance and regulations pertaining to the ownership of exotic pets. It is essential to research and understand the specific requirements and restrictions that apply to keeping a finger monkey as a pet in your area. Navigating legal compliance. Before acquiring a finger monkey, it is vital to ensure the compliance with all applicable legal requirements and obtain any necessary permits or licenses. Failure to do so could result in legal consequences, including fines, confiscation of the animal, or even criminal charges. Consult with local authorities, wildlife agencies, or legal experts to understand the legal obligations and responsibilities associated with owning a finger monkey in your area. Understanding ethical considerations beyond legal compliance, prospective finger monkey owners should also consider the ethical implications of acquiring and caring for these exotic animals. Ethical concerns may arise from various aspects of the finger monkey trade and ownership, including conservation, welfare, and the broader impact on the ecosystems and communities. Conservation concerns. Finger monkeys are listed as a species of concern on the International Union for Conservation of Nature, indicating they are not currently facing imminent extinction. However, their population are still vulnerable to threats such as habitat loss, deforestation, and illegal wildlife trade. The demand for finger monkeys as pets can contribute to the depletion of wild populations and undermine conservation efforts aimed at protecting their natural habitats. Animal welfare. Captive environments may not always provide the same quality of life and opportunities for natural behaviors as the wild. Finger monkeys have complex social structures and behavioral needs that may be challenging to replicate in captivity. Concerns about the welfare of finger monkeys in captivity include inadequate housing, social isolation, improper diet, lack of enrichment, and exposure to stressors such as confinement and handling. Illegal wildlife trade. Illegal capture and trade of finger monkeys from their natural habitat pose a significant threat to wildlife population and ecosystems. Poaching and smuggling operations not only harm individual animals, but also contribute to ecological imbalance and disrupt local communities that depend on healthy ecosystems for their livelihoods. Supporting the illegal wildlife trade perpetuates these harmful practices and undermines conservation efforts aimed at protecting endangered species. Adopting ethical practices. In light of these ethical considerations, prospective finger monkey owners can take proactive steps to ensure ethical and responsible ownership practices. Adopt, don't shop. Whenever possible, consider adopting a finger monkey from a reputable rescue organization, sanctuary, or rehabilitation center that prioritizes the welfare and well-being of animals. Adopting rescued or surrendered finger monkeys provides them with a second chance at life while also supporting ethical practices and conservation efforts. Choose responsible breeders. If purchasing a finger monkey from a breeder, research and choose reputable breeders who adhere to ethical breeding practices and prioritize the health, welfare, and genetic diversity of the animals. Responsible breeders provide proper care, socialization, and veterinary support for their animals and are transparent about their breeding practices and standards. Support conservation initiatives. Get involved in conservation initiatives and organizations dedicated to protecting wild population of finger monkeys and their natural habitats. Support efforts aimed at habitat conservation, wildlife research, community outreach, and sustainable development to promote the long-term survival of finger monkeys and other endangered species. Acquiring a finger monkey as a pet is a significant decision that carries legal, ethical, and moral implications. By understanding and navigating the legal framework, ethical dilemmas, and responsible practices associated with finger monkey ownership, prospective owners can ensure the well-being of these remarkable creatures while also supporting conservation efforts and ethical stewards of wildlife. Remember that responsible ownership begins with education, empathy, and a commitment to promoting the welfare and conservation of finger monkeys and their natural habitats.